Hello everyone, this is day 11 and I'm making this video from the sports complex and today I want to share one thing with you. I lost my phone, so I'm using my wife's phone and actually not lost, my phone is become dead. Uh, so I wanted to introduce my family a little bit. So I'm a married person and like we have a small family as well. So myself, GS, and my wife and two kids, and the elder one is 10-year old and the little one is 2.5-year old or 2.5-year old. I think 2.5 year is a good word to use. So uh, actually my my little one has a very has a very aggressive nature. So he uses he usually you know do the throw the things, although we try to control on that nature, but it's not easy. So I think day before yesterday he just throw my phone and the phone become dead. There's no problem about like it's only dead. Like skin is good, everything is good, but the phone is not open. I think so. Phone is dead. So I ordered new one, and previously like the my dead one is Motorola phone, and recently I ordered a Motorola phone. Again, I ordered a Motorola phone because I feel like a Motorola is a good phone to use. So yeah, actually, you know the purpose of this kind of video, this blog. So here I am to just talk in English to show you my journey, like how I'm able to speak or not. So today I today I speak about my I lost my phone or my phone is dead, and I have done little bit introduction of my family. So yeah, like I am making these kind of small video, only maybe 2 to 3 minute or maximum 4 minute videos. So my purpose is very simple. Uh, Here I am to speak more, and if you also learn English in a manner, so I share my hacks. If you feel कि मैं थोड़ा बहुत बोल लेता हूँ, so I share I will share or I am sharing little hacks or little journey little क्या बोलेंगे इसको I am sharing the yeah I am sharing the knowledge with you which I which I use or which is beneficial for all of you. So if you are an English learner, so please do follow or subscribe my channel and like this video and comment. If you have any suggestion, please share with me, and here I will share with you new ideas which I use, and definitely if I found something new to uh, learn this language with impactful or with interest, so definitely I will share that idea with you. So I think that's it for today. Bye bye. See you tomorrow, day 12. Bye bye.